Hi guys! Now we are going to see how to download YouTube Shorts. Open Google Chrome. Go to snaptubeapp.com. The link is given in the description. Click the download button to download the Snaptube app and install the application. Now, open the application. Allow the Snaptube application to access the media and files on your device. Now, open YouTube application to download Shorts videos. Click the Share button, and select the Copy Link option. Now, open the Snaptube application. Now, a download pop-up menu appears. Click the Download button to download the Shorts video. Choose your desired resolution, and now, your download will be started. Open the downloaded video file to play the Shorts video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.